Hi, I'm Amanda Burdan, curator at the Brandywine River Museum of Art, and this is a section of the exhibition Votes for Women of Visual History that deals with everyday objects that carried a suffrage message. One of the most popular objects is the simple postcard. Postcards were so popular in this day to just drop a friend a line. It's sort of like sending a text today. And you might even send more than one a day because sometimes the mail even went more than once a day. So these very inexpensive, colorful, meaningful, message-laden cards would be going through the US Postal Service. And you could communicate with your friends and let them know your stance and find out their stance. And a lot of them are humorous. Some of them maybe not to our humor sensibilities today, but I like to think of them as sort of like the memes of the early 20th century because they had this slogan and image and everybody knew what you were talking about when you referenced these suffrage postcards. I find it's really interesting because different artists created selections or sets of images. So we have ones by Emily Hall Chamberlain here. We have ones that are both anti and pro-suffrage using the same image but different words. And then we have other ones that seem in some ways positive towards suffrage, but then kind of belittling as well. So it takes some close reading to determine exactly what the person who sent you the postcard was thinking.